Hi everyone. Welcome to the new session. Today we are going to learn how to create a new channel in a few minutes. For creating a new channel you want to go to youtube.com. YouTube is an American online video sharing platform headquartered in San Bruno, California. YouTube allows users to upload, view, rate, share, add to playlists, report, comment on videos, and subscribe to other users. Also, YouTube is the world's second largest search engine. To create a new channel you need to sign into YouTube. Now you are navigated to the Sign In tab. You want to provide your Gmail address to sign into youtube.com. You can make videos and upload on YouTube for making money through YouTube Partnership Program. Now you are successfully logged into YouTube. Also you can join YouTube Affiliate Marketing. Here we are going to create a new channel. Click your profile icon and create a channel button. Now you are navigated to YouTube Create Channel Name session. Now you can see two options provided by YouTube. Either you create your channel with your user or create with a custom name. I am choosing custom channel name. Now you can add your YouTube channel custom name, then click the Create button. Now you are navigate to upload your profile picture. From here you can add your logo or you can upload your profile picture. You can make beautiful channel logo and upload it to YouTube. Canva.com is a best place to create logo for your YouTube channel. Also make beautiful videos also. From here onwards you can also add your channel description and you can add social media links such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. to your channel. Then click Save and Next. Here you go, we just create our new channel. This is how we can simply create our YouTube channel. Now onwards you can upload your favorite videos to your channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for future updates.